की तरफ बढ़ना चाहेंगे। अंबर जी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। अंबर जी, प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर।
जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका पुनीत जी। माननीय मंत्री जी, जो रेलवेज है, रेलवेज मोदी जी, रेलवेज अंडर मोदी जी हैज बिकम central to his idea of nation building. What are the major changes and projects that have been brought in the last 6 years in railways, and how are they going to impact the lives of people in India? Also, what are the works that are currently in pipeline or under construction? Please let us know. Thank you.
You please go back to the Atal Bihari Vajpayee's regime. Atal Bihari Vajpayee started the Golden Quadrangle roads for the country. Sagar, at that time, joining of the Kanyakumari by national highways. The people today also they call as a Vajpayee road. People they call Vajpayee roads. So Vajpayee has developed in the country national Golden Quadrangle roads in the country. And after 2014, when Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has took charge, his centric point was like Atal Bihari Vajpayee on railways. Today, India is not competing with the world because of the high transportation rates in the industrial areas and even in the agriculture. When Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has took over the charge, his centric point is the railway station. A boy who was selling tea in the railway station has taken an opportunity to become the chief minister, then he became the prime minister of this country, and he is understood very well about the railways. Railway is the lifeline of the country. जीवन रेखा है लोगों का, गरीबों के लिए. इसके लिए नरेंद्र मोदी has taken a very initiative program under our minister Sri Honorable Sri Piyush Goyal ji and myself. We are working day and night and with the team of all the officers, railway board chairman and employees. It is a great opportunity. After national highways, Atal Bihari Vajpayee has done. Like this today, Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji joining Kanyakumari to Kashmir and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. All these railways are connecting throughout the country, and every district will pass with the train today. So it is joining the people. Honorable Prime Minister doing yoga, he joined the entire world, and today by joining each district, he joining the entire country. So like this, Modi's vision is different, and by joining this railway, along with this, and given an opportunity to Kisan Rail also recently announced Kisan Rail. Even a Garib Kisan also can take his vegetables and take his food products to sell anywhere in the country, and it is a great opportunity. Apart from this, railway is connecting road to railway, railway to port, port to aviation. Like this, multi-modeling connectivity in the country. If once the multi-modeling connected in the country, the transportation rates will become cheaper. When the transportation rates will become cheaper, our industry can grow, and our industry can compete in the world market. So we can compete in the world market. So because of this, the Make in India and the production will start, and the industry will grow at a high level, and the Indian youth will get an opportunity. Transportation and export also will increase by doing this. It is the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. After Atalji's this thing, today railway is the central point, and many opportunities are given to the youth and many people. And day and night, railway is working. Even in the Corona pandemic, I congratulate and I thank all the railway employees for continuously working. More than 4,000 trains have left during the Corona time, and they have been sent to very safely to their residencies. So today there are many pending work. Electrification we are doing, doubling we are doing, and there is a tourist spot, the Unity, the Statue of Unity. Honorable Prime Minister is making is a world famous tourism center at Kevadia. I have been there. It is amazing. So if people travel in train for tourists also, that also is doing. And the world's highest pending works में bridge is going on, Chana Bridge. So Kashmir में कभी भी नहीं हुआ था. All these have been taken as a national project, and plus Northeast में विशेषता काम करके लोगों के लिए अनेक सुविधा देने का योजना रेलवे में हम कर रहे. All these are the pending works we are completing. So Honorable Narendra Modi is the centering point to develop the railways for a common man, for 130 crore people to travel throughout the country. It is the great vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Thank you very much, sir.